In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Ideal in your Stripe account. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to offer Ideal as a payment option to your customers, a particularly popular choice in the Netherlands. You'll find that this process is straightforward and quick, taking no more than 5 minutes to complete. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Stripe's official website. Stripe is a powerful financial infrastructure designed to help grow your revenue, and enabling Ideal as a payment method is just one of the ways to diversify your payment offerings. Now, once you're on the Stripe homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it. This will direct you to the login page. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and hit the Sign In button again. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. After logging in, you'll land on your Stripe Home dashboard. This is where you have a bird's-eye view of your account activities. From here, you want to move to the Settings option. To find that, look at the bottom left of your dashboard. You'll see an icon that looks like a little gear or a cog. Click on it to access your account settings. Within the Settings page, find and click on Product Settings. This area allows you to configure various options to tailor your Stripe account to meet your business needs. It's a key step for enabling any additional features or payment methods. Next, go to the Payments section within Product Settings. It's here you'll be able to manage payment settings specific to your business. Click on Payment Methods, and this will bring up a list of all the supported payment methods on Stripe. Scroll through the list and locate Ideal. You might need to check if it's already enabled. If not, simply click on it. This will take you to the Ideal settings page where you can enable it with a single click, usually by toggling a switch. Once you've enabled Ideal, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Congratulations, you've successfully added Ideal to your Stripe account. By doing so, you're providing an accessible and preferred payment method for many customers in the Netherlands, enhancing your checkout experience. Thank you for watching, and now you're equipped to offer your customers more flexibility in how they pay. Be sure to check out other videos to explore additional features and integrations available in your Stripe account. See you next time.